Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. Today we're going to be doing this 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. We're going to be doing new speakers and also a sub and an amp. Okay, so we had to remove the intake and the battery to get back here to get to this grommet so that we could push the wire through. It's the only way to do it. They only give you this much room between this and the battery to get back there. Ford definitely does not do a very good job of designing things to be able to get around other parts. Hey. After sweaty ass Beavis over here decided to slick back his hair for the 80s Miami Vice party, we finally got the wire through.
Install this, start this tractor trailer, and the guy's he's like, oh, I bought put a new battery in it, it's not working, yada yada.
Look at that hair to
yeah.
listen. Damn. I'm gonna start calling them Goldilocks.
But the battery was dead. So
So over here on the driver's side, these are the wires that we tagged into. You're gonna see that they're braided. Sorry about the dark. They're braided, but they are the exact same colors going into the harness into here that come out into here. So those are gonna be your two wires that are gonna be cross braided here, and they're always gonna be cross braided coming into here. So when you cut this open, you'll see how they're crossed. Those are your two speaker wires right there. Here is the amplifier wires all installed. Try to make it look as OEM as possible. Amplifier is down there with our WaveTech line driver piece. That way we can bump up the preamp voltage. Okay, there's the sub. We're gonna put the sub loading over this way so that way she doesn't have to worry about her stuff smacking up against it. it.